All right, my good people, today, like I said, we're doing holiday sides. Another easy one, something Sunny requested. It's chicken, broccoli, and cheddar casserole. Now this, I love casseroles because if you're always on the go, you can literally just throw this shit in a pan and just throw it in the oven and go about your day. So we're gonna make that right. She peeking in like, oh, that's the shit? Okay. Yes, that's what I'm making. So, listen, I used to have white friends, a lot of them, and they love casseroles. That was my first time eating it, and I loved it. Of course, theirs was just with rice and broccoli. We're gonna add some chicken. So, let's get into it. If you ever had casserole, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, this is fairly easy. I have 2.5 cups of water right here. Now, I'm gonna put my seasonings in the water to make something like a broth. Oh, shit. Let's try to get all those seasonings off. And when you use one of these, put it in first, then turn it on. I fucked up. I don't care about getting dirty when I cook, because I've had restaurants and food trucks so long, you just get dirty. Shout out to my boy, Mr. Make It Happen, the only guy I know that can wear a $3,000 outfit and not get dirty in the kitchen. All right, so what we're gonna do, cup of rice, spread that out. Let's put our broth in here, our seasoned broth. Let's add some onions. Let's add our broccoli. Now that's a half of an onion. And this is a 12-ounce bag of broccoli, which we probably don't need. I'll probably use half. You can use fresh or frozen. Now, usually I would just use all cheddar, but this is for my wife. So I'm throwing in some Velveeta, what you guys call plastic cheese. A little background on Velveeta. This used to be county cheese, if y'all want to be real. When we used to get free cheese, this is what they was giving us, Velveeta. Now this shit is $15 a block. Add the last little bit of our cheese. Now, we're gonna add our chicken. I told you this is that good old rotisserie chicken. Oh shit, this one got a bone in it. This is a whole rotisserie chicken. I probably used about 1/3 of it. Now we're gonna drizzle about half a cup of heavy cream on top. This is gonna make it extra creamy. And with this recipe, it'll help you learn how to make these type of one pan casseroles without using soup. You don't have to use Campbell's cream of chicken and cream of broccoli. You don't have to do all that. So we're just gonna put a little cheese on it right now. We're gonna bake it at 375 for about 30 minutes, covered. Then we're gonna take the cover off, add more cheese, throw it back in the oven for about 20 more minutes and we'll be ready to eat. Put our cover on and we're off to the oven. All right, the first step of this dish is complete. We're just gonna add some more cheese and throw it back in uncovered. All right, added a little bit more cheese. Back in the oven for about 15, 20 minutes and we're ready to eat. Oh yeah.
about to eat it.
It's fire.
Yep.
I ain't gonna lie, I ain't made this in a minute. I gotta try it.
Oh, you made this before? You ain't never made it for me.
Oh,
You said what sauce I'm gonna put on? What kind of sauce should I put on here? And why you ask me what kind of sauce?
I got something for you.
Grape or red?
Grape or red?
Why you see the chef shit, Cambro? He ain't even got a picture.
You don't need a picture.
Ghetto shit.
Yep. Esau, shake your Kool-Aid. Make sure you put enough ice. Fill it to the top.
Now he about to have everybody making
Shake it.
Kool-Aid. They gonna be like,
Who want the recipe to my Kool-Aid?
because you did not pop it.
This Kool-Aid is fire, by the way. That's why she wants some. But anyway, as you can see, easy to make. Literally threw in about 6 or 7 ingredients, about an hour cook time. This is easy to make, better for your family. For family meals, this is better for a family meal. But if you want to think outside the box and do it for Thanksgiving, you can too. This will probably be the first thing going if you do this on Thanksgiving. Have you ever had casserole like this? Leave a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My nigga, enjoy.